This toy is based on the principle of magnetic levitation. Magnetic levitation means you levitate or float a thing with the help of magnetic properties. For that we require a piece of rubber, 6 ring magnets, 4 are here and 2 are placed on this ball pen, or you can use a pencil also, and a piece of old CD which is cut in 8 parts, and we have taken one of it, and you have a dimple made on the face of the CD so that the end of the ball pen can rest securely in that dimple. Now I will place these magnets. Please follow me. I will first check that the magnets is touching and put it in the front groove. Now there are 3 grooves. One groove is here, the other groove is here, the third groove is here. Now I put this magnet, checking that they touch, and then I put this on the second line. If they don't touch, then I just turn it so they will touch. So that way you can check up. Now I take the hind magnet, the magnet which is on the other side of the pen, and then check that these magnets do not touch or they repel. Now this is touching, so I just turn it around and see that it is not touching. Then I put it this by checking that they repel, and I put it on the last third line. I repeat, these 2 magnets, they touch the front magnet on the pen. These 2 magnets, they repel the back magnet on the pen. Then I put this piece of CD as shown, and then you can see that the position of the first magnet is just behind the first 2 magnets, and the position of the second magnet is exactly above the back magnets. Then if I now keep the pen in the horizontal position, you will see that the pen is levitating or floating, which I can show you by turning this by hand. Since there is no friction between this steel point and the CD, this pencil will float for a very long time. Now you must have heard the name of maglev trains, the fastest trains which do not have any wheels. They just float on the rails and they move along the rails without wheels, without any friction, with the help of magnet. They depend for their working on the principle of magnetic levitation, and taking first 3 letters of magnetic and levitation, we name these trains as maglev trains.